Down the galley, 1 pan, cod, potatoes, and asparagus in my lemon pepper seasoning. For this easy sheet pan dinner, oven on 425. I'm doing my cast iron, so I am putting my cast iron in to heat up with the oven. While that is heating up, I'm going to cut my potatoes, and I'm just going to take a little off the end. I want to make some rounds about like that. I'm going to add that lemon pepper seasoning blend. So if you haven't seen that video or made this blend yet, it's amazing. Amazing, perfect summertime blend. I'm going to toss those. I'm going to do a little swirl of avocado oil. Now we just have to wait for the oven to heat up. I love raw potatoes with some salt on them. So I'm eating my tips. Okay, oven is hot. On with our potatoes. I'm going to put this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Probably on my cast iron 15. Regular sheet tray, you probably want to go 20. Luckily I remembered, but I almost forgot. 1 lemon cut in half, and we're going to go cut that down onto that sheet tray with the potatoes when they go in the oven. Okay, while that's in the oven, we're going to move on to our asparagus. Look at that asparagus grown in South Carolina. It's so pretty. And, you know, because I'm in South Carolina, that just makes me so happy. Into my bowl, I'm going to do the same thing we did with the potatoes. I'm going to do a little avocado oil and a little of that lemon pepper seasoning blend. So I have 2 pieces of cod, and I am going to sprinkle my lemon pepper seasoning on both sides. And now it's just a waiting game. Now we're just waiting on those potatoes. All right, out of the oven, I'm going to flip my potatoes over. I'm going to kind of swoosh them down to this side over here. And then we have our asparagus. Spin it in. Forgot my lemons, but I remembered. But I did a whole video for canning taco sauce. And never hit record. Luckily, I hit record this time, huh? All right. On to our sheet tray. Beautiful fresh asparagus. And now right in the center, I'm going to put those 2 pieces of cod. I'm going to pour some melted butter over my fish. And if I have any left, I'm just going to drizzle that around. A little extra butter, never hurt anything. Now I'm going to sprinkle with my breadcrumbs, microplane, some fresh Parmesan cheese over all of it. I'm going to go back into that oven for another 15 minutes. Doesn't that look pretty? It's like the perfect dinner for 2. All right, out of the oven, and now we're going to take that lemon and squeeze all that caramelized lemon juice over everything. And there you have it. Isn't it beautiful? Now I'm going to let this cool down, and then I'm going to have my dinner. 1 pan, 1 bowl. In 30 minutes, you have a beautiful dinner. So if you haven't made my lemon pepper seasoning blend, this is a perfect thing to make it for. I think you'll make it again and again. I'll see y'all later. Bye.